The dam is breaking in. It was bound to happen, 'cause your heart is caving in. So why you bother? This is nothing you can run from. I hope you make it, 'cause I can't change it anyway. Soon it's all over, and you feel nothing again. Before you know it, it's all over. So enjoy your heartbreak, enjoy your heartbreak, my friend. The promises we're making, the rules we keep breaking. And the moment we're off it, we try so hard to stop it. I hope we make it, 'cause we can't change it anyway.